Revision petition dismissed, but the sentence is modified. The period already he has undergone. So if there is no other case, he can go out of the jail.
For motion bail application number 2.
Sorry, Lordship.
Yes.
Out of that, I beg to mention for listing on the anticipated bail application to
When?
tomorrow, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, one more interlocutory application for correction of slight modification of order, Lordship.
Okay. Yes.
This substitute matter, Lordship. Substitute matter, Lordship.
This matter.
Substitute matter, Lordship. I can know what Lordship.
This is first or second application.
First application, Lordship.
Okay. Where it is pending?
Kamrup, Amingaon, Lordship.
Amingaon. At what stage?
Evidence test, Lordship.
Evidence. How many witnesses have been examined till now?
3 witness, Lordship.
3 witnesses examined
Out of 8, Lordship.
out of 8. Whether the 3 witnesses examined till then implicated you?
No, Lordship.
No. Whether it is 3 evidence of 3 witnesses have been enclosed with the petition?
No,
No.
Lordship. Lordship, kindly
Okay. Let the status report and the scan copy of the record come from the court below.
along with case diary, Lordship.
Okay, case diary. List the matter on COVID.
On 12 June,
Sort that.
10 June.
Lordship, my senior will be out of station, Lordship.
When?
10 June. From 10 to 12, Lordship. From 7 to 10, Lordship.
COVID.
7 to 10.
The 12th, okay.
The prior to that, then.
On 6
Okay,
June.
okay, Lord.
Item 3.
March of this.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So for 39 application, Your Lordship, this accused petition is behind the for last 31 days, Your Lordship. Your Lordship find the on page number 11, Your Lordship.
Is behind the bar for 31 days.
31 days, Your Lordship.
So here in this case, probably CD is there also in our office. On last day, not last Friday, one matter disposed also.
31/5, Your Lordship.
That land matter.
One of the co-accused has been enlarged on bail, Your Lordship.
Acha. Okay, you produce the CD tomorrow.
Your Lordship.
Let the CD produce tomorrow.
Today is the last, it may be
Pardon?
taken up as the last item, Your Lordship, along with the CD today.
Pardon?
Today, Lordship, as a last
Today,
item.
would it be possible?
I have seen the CD on last occasion also. So
No. Is it available in your office?
office doors.
Can you produce today? Okay.
Item 4.
Wait, Your Lordship. My lord, FIRs, Your Lordship, may kindly see page 10, my lord, and except 1, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, This is my lord, amount of rupees 35,000 as per my lord informant mine.
Hmm.
And this case was registered under section my lord 420, 406, I read to section 66D IT Act, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, almost 30 days behind the bar, my lord.
Where is the FIR?
FIR is page my lord 10.
Page 10.
Yes, my lord.
What is page number 13?
My lord, another case, my lord, in which he was originally arrested, my lord. Thereafter shown arrest in this case, my lord, page number 10.
Acha.
So we are for this FIR, my lord, before this.
Page 10 is the FIR.
Yes, lordship.
Page 13 is the vernacular.
Page, yes, my lord. Page 13 is the vernacular one.
So, did you prefer any anticipatory bail
Yes,
application?
my lord, that was rejected by your lordship, my lord. Thereafter, he was arrested, my lord.
When it was rejected?
My lord, more than 2 months before, my lord, I think.
Have you enclosed the order here?
No, my lord, that was not. My lord, thereafter, he was arrested in
Okay,
connection
do you
another
have the
case.
number?
Anticipatory bail. Oh, sir, 2 months. আবার যদি anticipatory bail reject হয়েছে, তাহলে my lord, we can collect, my lord. Lordship of the president of the city that was rejected, my lord.
You furnish the number, bail
Lordship,
application number,
I'll
not available
after some time, my lord.
after some time.
Yes.
For bail hearing, item 5.
Ma'am, please, your lordship.
We are filing objection tomorrow, Lordship. So this matter may be listed day after tomorrow.
LCR has been received.
Yes,
Yes, madam.
Lordship.
I heard Mr. Das, learned counsel for the accused, and Ms. Devta, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Sikai, standing counsel for the NCB. Office note. Dated 31/5/2024 indicates that scan copy of the record has already been received with up-to-date status report from the learned court below. But Ms. Dekta, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. S.C. Kayal, learned standing counsel for the NCB, submits that the NCB will be submitting the objection tomorrow and press for listing the matter on day after tomorrow. Here is accordingly allowed. Let's list the matter on Wednesday.
My lord.
Deeply obliged.
Item 6.
Did he receive lordship?
Yes,
Now, please allow.
you are on interim.
No,
He lordship.
this is bail application, your lord.
Acha.
For 38 days.
No, why you have submitted these applications? No, these orders.
In the last occasion, your lordship, I placed one order whereby the co-accused has been released on bail, your lordship.
Hmm. What is the name of the present accused?
Nirmal Nath. And earlier one prosecution, he was released on bail by your lordship. As per my instruction, in this case altogether, altogether, there are 4 rounds of witness, your lordship.
You are
8
behind
days.
the bar for how many days?
For 38 days, your lordship.
38 days. Yes, Mr.
So he admitted lordship, he take all those
Certificate.
articles from him lordship, and he's earlier also he used in this involved in this type of crime lordship. It is statement lordship and
So, what is the stage of investigation?
all materials could not be seized lordship.
Hmm?
From him only one chain has been seized lordship, and other material could not be recovered from him lordship. He has stated that those materials has been sold to another lordship. That is the statement. Otherwise, all accused persons has been arrested, Lordship. 3 accused persons was there, Lordship. They were there and they have been arrested, Lordship.
So, sufficient time he has undergone in the judicial custody, 38 days. Heard, Mr.
AM Khan.
Learned counsel for the accused and Mr. E.S. Lahore, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 439 services preferred by accused. Nirmal Nath, who has been languishing in jail in connection with Happigao case number 24 of 2024 under section 457 of the KIPC. It is to be noted here that above noted case has been registered under the basis of one FIR lodged by one Meenakshi Sharma on 18/2/2024. FIR is at page number
7.
The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that on 18/2/2024, some unknown miscreants entered into her house by breaking the lock of the door and stolen away various kinds of ornaments of gold of worth rupees 5 lakhs. Including gold ornaments, gold bangles, which in bracket 3 pairs, gold rings, 7 numbers, gold chain, 4 numbers, earring, 4 pairs, coin of different countries, and silk clothes, 10 to 12 pairs. Mr. Khan, learned counsel for the accused, submits that the accused was arrested on when he was arrested.
26/4/2020.
26/4/2024, and for last 38 days he has been languishing in jail as well. And further, Mr. Khan submits that one of the co-accused has already been enlarged on bail by this court by order dated 15/5/2024 in BA number 1297 of 2024, and the present accused is also stands in the same footing, and that he is ready to cooperate. No, he will cooperate with the investigating agency, and therefore Mr. Khan consented to allow the petition. On the other hand, Mr. Lawful learned additional PP has produced the case theory before this court and submits that the IO has collected sufficient incriminating materials in support of the allegation made in the FIR, and the accused himself admitted having involved with the offense alleged in the FIR. And one of the gold chain has already been recovered from his possession. And therefore, Mr. Lawford has opposed the petition. But having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have gone for the petition and the documents placed on record, and also carries the case aid with the assistance of Mr. Lawford learned additional PP. The case area indicates that the IO has collected some incriminating materials against the accused. But it also appears that the IO has achieved substantial progress in the investigation. And it also appears that all the accused persons have been arrested here in this case. And the present accused is languishing in jail for last 38 days. And balancing the period of detention with the nature and gravity of the offense, and also considering the fact that one of the co-accused has already been granted bail by this court by order dated 15/5/2024 in BA number 1297 of 2024, this court is inclined to allow this petition. It is provided that on furnishing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup M, the accused be enlarged on bail. CDB returned.
Number 7.
I don't know, 7 CD not received, Lordship.
Number 7.
CD, please.
None appears for the applicant on spot. But
Name.
Mr. P.S. Locke or learned additional PP submits that he has not received the case aid.
Lordship, sorry. Here in this case, Lordship, scan copy has come.
What's that?
So, and Lordship directed us to take instruction whether notice has been served or not, Lordship. That we have taken instruction, Lordship, notice has been served, Lordship. That truly says same as the
You have received a copy.
that we can.
Now my place for the petition of applicant.
It is technometric.
Scan copy of the case record has also been received. And Mr. P.S. Local Learned Additional PP submits that he has received one written report from the officer in charge jurisdictional PS in respect of service of notice upon respondent number 2. Place the matter on Wednesday.
Any day.
10 June. Item 8.
In this case, my lord, up to date case, there was call for my lord.
CD not received.
Hmm?
After received.
Earlier.
Are you on interim?
No, my lord, there is no entry, my lord.
Yes,
That's
yes,
why,
yes.
my lord. Other query was already granted bail, my lord.
Earlier we received the CD, but it was not updated. Lordship. Updated CD we have
This
not
is the
received.
third time, my lord.
So this week may not be possible also. Or Friday?
We'll try. Lordship.
Friday? Mr. P.S. Local Learned Additional PP submits that he has not received the case aid. Accordingly, it is provided that Mr. Locker shall produce the case aid report is court on Friday.
7 June.
Mr. A. M. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the applicant present.
Yes, I know. Your number. I believe.
Item 9.
Seriously.
May I please, your lordship? So FI is base number 13, lordship.
Did he receive, Mr.
CD received, Lordship, but Lordship, it is not updated, Lordship. After rejection of the earlier bail application, Lordship, it is not updated, Lordship. It is prior to that rejection, Lordship. CD.
Lordship,
This is second application.
second appeal, lordship. Earlier that it was rejected only on the ground of the previous injury, but FI is lost on section T23, lordship.
Hmm.
The previous injury is not affected as per
In respect of-
FIR, lordship.
But when there is a medical report is there, Lordship, but medical report is here, Lordship.
What is there?
It is previous, Lordship, by Sharp weapon, Lordship.
Start with what?
If the suburban is attacked one person, and he cannot go to the same time, he cannot go to the police station same time, lordship.
Can go, Lordship. It's not.
No, yeah, it will depend upon several factors.
Lordship, as per
The
previous
place of injury, place where he has sustained the injuries.
as per section T20 IPC, lordship, previous injuries elaborated, lordship.
Okay, when you will be able to produce updated case diary?
Churi, Lordship.
Case diary is pending for how many days in your office?
So we have received it on 34/20/24. This is the.
Thereafter, they have not taken back.
The interim may be allowed, lordship. I will go to the investigating officer. and
Earlier
I-
rejected
I-
case, Lordship, how interim?
Okay, we will give you sorted.
14,
You
Lordship.
produce the
14,
14
Lordship.
will be long, na? There is no
Lordship.
interim.
11 or 12, Lordship, because it will be sent back then.
Lordship, one chance may be given, lordship, for my version may be record before the high lordship.
No, that's
One
all right,
person.
but we have rejected earlier.
Lordship.
Otherwise, we would have considered your pair.
Lordship.
Mr. Locker, Lord Additional PP submits that he has received the case diary, but the same has not been updated since.
Since, Lordship, 34/20/24.
Since 38/4/2024, and the bail petition and the first application was rejected by this court by order dated 1/5/2024. And as such, Mr. Locker prayed for allowing him to produce the updated case date before this court there is accordingly allowed. Recessal is the matter on
On 12 June,
12.
12 June.
Mr. Your good name,
RL Sutia also.
Mr. R.L. Sutia, learned counsel for the applicant present.
Sorry, my lord. Item 7, my lord.
Huh?
7, my lord. Item 7.
7.
10 June.
7, no, we have already fixed a date. Notice has been served.
Yeah, also.
Pending item 4.
But I collect my the earlier order.
Yes, Mr. Lofer, you received the case date here.
No, lordship.
My lord, this order was 29/1/2024.
In motion stage,
Long
lordship.
since.
Motion stage.
Item 3.
We have.
We have received, lordship.
Yes,
Yes, lordship, in this case,
This is the case when on last occasion, lordship, to some 3 or 4 persons has been arrested, lordship, due to occupying another's land, lordship, 10 acres of land,
Uh-huh.
lordship, that is, lordship. And the one accused person has stated, lordship, who has occupied their land, he has stated, lordship, because of these 2 persons, Taizul Haq and Hafiz, মোক ঘৰ বনাব দিছিল, and Hafiz statement is also there, lordship. He simply denied.
no, that is the statement of who is accused.
Co-accused, lordship. The person who occupied the land, lordship. So encroached
No,
the
he has already been granted bail.
land.
already granted bail, your lordship. No, so this petitioner before your lordship is a power of attorney holder, your lordship. The landowner has actually given 2 power of attorney to 2 different persons, your lordship.
Okay, heard Mr. Your good name,
Be thus not.
learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Mr. P.S. Lofer, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 439 services prepared by accused Hafiz Ali, who has been languishing in jail as of since when?
4/5,
4/5/2024,
lordship.
for last 31 days. It is to be noted here that above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR. This page, para number 3. Mr. Das, learned counsel for the accused, submits that the accused was arrested on 4/5/2024 and for last 31 days he has been languishing in jail as well, and that one of the co-accused, namely Yazul Haq, has already been granted bail by this court by order dated 31/5/2024 in BA number 1528 of 2024. And the present accused is also stands in the same footing, and that he is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency. And that the accused is no way involved with the offense alleged in the FIR, and in fact, the owner of the land has given 2 power of attorney, one to the present accused, to you.
Yes, 2 accused. Yes, along with this Yazul Haq and Hafiz Ali, present petitioner and Yazul Haq. These 2 are the power of attorney.
One, the present applicant, present accused, and the other 2,
Yazul Haq,
Yazul Haq.
yes.
And the same create confusion for who is no, who is resulted in filing of the FIR. And that he is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and therefore it is contended to allow the petition. On the other hand, Mr. Lofer, learned additional PP, has produced the case date before this court and submits that the IO has collected sufficient incriminating materials against the present accused, and that the accused persons involved in the case has already been arrested and necessary documents have already been collected. However, Mr. Loker, in view of the comma, in view of the materials available in the on the record, no available in the case area, comma, oppose the petition. Therefore, this having heard the submission. The case area indicates that the IO has collected some incriminating materials in support of the allegation made in the FIR. But it appears that the accused was arrested on 4/5/2024, and since then he has been languishing in jail for last 31 days. Further, it appears that the IO has achieved substantial progress in the investigation of this case. Relevant documents have already been collected and the accused persons involved in the offense have already been arrested. And one of the co-accused has already been granted bail by this court by order dated so and so in BA number so and so. He is behind the bar for last 31 days and balancing the same with the nature and gravity of the offense. And further, considering the progress of investigation, further custodial interrogation of the accused seems to be not warranted here in this case, and therefore this court is inclined to allow this petition. It is provided that on furnishing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned and come of the accused be enlarged on bail. Case will be referred. Yes, next item.
Problem.
Item 4,
In the month of January.
So what
29
is the ground for filing this second application?
No, this is not AB man, this is BA man. He was arrested. Earlier was AB man,
Maybe,
and
acha.
this is BA man.
You were behind the bar for how many days?
In this case, shown arrest 6/5/2024. 29
How many days?
29 days.
6?
6/5/2024. Lordship would find matter page 26 matter.
Hmm.
This is the application.
Heard Mr. Ziauddin learned counsel for the accused and Mr. P.S. Law for learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 439 service is prepared by accused Rafiq Ali, who has been languishing in jail as in connection with Boragaon PS case number 136 of 2023 under section 420 406 IPC read section 66 B IT Act. Since 6/5/2024 for grant of bail. Is to be noted here that above noted case has been registered under the C-1 FIR lodged by one Nasik Ali on 16/12/2023. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so is that one Babur Ali has defrauded him to the tune of rupees 35,000 with a view to provide CSP agency of Bank of Baroda. Mr. Uddin learned counsel for the applicant submits that accused submits that the applicant and that the accused said earlier preferred one AB being AB number 93 of 2024 and the same was dismissed by this court by order dated 29/1/2024. And thereafter he was arrested by police on 6/5/2024 and for last 29 days he has been languishing in jail as well. Mr. Uddin further submits that the accused is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency and further custodial detention may not be necessary in the interest of investigation and therefore Mr. Uddin contended to allow the petition, whereas Mr. P.S. Lawcore learned additional PP has produced the case before this court.
The case CD not yesterday in this case.
What's that? CD was not called for.
Not called for.
This is for the first time.
29 days, man. Considering
Earlier rejected lordship can be.
So what is your submission, Mr. Lawcore?
Lordship, CV may be called for Lordship because earlier rejected case Lordship or some allegation and serious allegation is against him Lordship.
My lord,
Some fraud.
Maybe,
Well,
but
by some-
in this case,
he is
madam,
taken a sum of rupees 35,000,
yes,
but he is behind about for 29 days.
yes, madam. Only my allegation is that 35,000 he has taken from informant, ma'am.
Not by present accused.
There is no allegation that he had defrauded some other person also.
Yes, madam.
There is
His name is
Lordship.
not
That is
there.
the last paragraph Lordship.
Where?
Last page number 11 Lordship.
Ah.
It is pertinent to mention here in that the addition to assimilate of my money, the accused person also assimilated more than lakhs rupees from 60-50 innocent persons Lordship. Lordship.
No, apparently.
Lordship, this is Thula PS against Thula PS, no Lordship.
No, Boragaon case.
Buragaon, yes.
Boragaon case.
Lordship, his petition is against Thula Lordship. Lordship, may kindly call
No,
title.
no,
Come to
confused.
Lordship, may kindly come to the cost title Lordship. Here,
My lord, he has filed 2 cases, my lord, and my landed friend is showing that case. I think copy of the that case.
আপনি কোনটো বিচাৰিছে?
1958, that is 1600.
1598.
No, Mr. Locker, this is Buragaon case number
Yes, ma'am.
136 of 2023.
We have filed 2 cases, my lord. One is Boragaon, another Thola. So this is for 1598 Boragaon case.
বুঢ়াগাঁও PS. আপুনি দুটা কেছ ফাইল কৰিছে? Then wrong petition has come.
So well, considering the detention period, my lord, in this case, you know,
No, maybe, but you have some other cases also.
yes, well, that was in another court. ma'am.
That is Thula PS case Lordship, same legal.
Yeah.
Filed
That is in
simultaneously.
different court, that is a different matter, but you are habitual offender.
No, my lord, that we filed both the case, my lord, my lord, today listed, my lord, one case before your lordship, another in court number 20, my lord.
No, we are not concerned with that.
Lordship.
We are concerned with the allegation made in the other FIR.
I have a next, my lord, in this case.
Yes,
Yes, my lord. Lordship,
we have
McAllis-
seen that you are habitual offender.
my lord, this is the allegation, my lord. Same type of allegation, my lord. So when, my lord, he was arrested in this case, my lord, page number 14, my lord.
On the other hand, Mr. Locker, learned additional PT has opposed the petition on the ground that applicant accused is a habitual offender. And he is also an accused in the Dhula PS case number
My lord,
45.
45 of 2024
2024.
under section 420, 406, 468, 444, 506, IPC.
my lord, he's some business is doing in the company, my lord. Some
Hmm?
type of company. My lord, I am.
In the name of,
Particular-
in
In
the name,
particular case, my lord, I'm, my lord, on the period of detention, my lord.
in the name of
No,
giving
that's
permission,
all right, but you will repeat the offense again.
No, my lord, lordship, my lord, alert him on,
Lordship, may kindly at
This,
this,
my lord, on surety, my lord, lordship, my lord, him fit, my lord.
may kindly call for the
Maybe-
details.
In view of the submission of learned advocate from both sides, perusal of the case here is found to be necessary and accordingly it is
Shortly
provided
to
that Mr. Locker shall produce the case here before this court not for it.
7.
7, my lord.
7.
All right. All right.